Hey designers, in my laundry room this morning, and I want to talk about, we do a lot of these where we're replacing these upper cabinets, and one that we're working on right now, the customer's called me a couple of times and concerned about a few things. So I want to go over a couple of things. So this is what came originally in the house. We are about 13 inches deep and we are 60 inches off of the ground on here. And as you can see, I got into the, we got top load washer and dryer into the top load. We've got good clearance and we don't have any issues there. So the one that we're working on, so my unit is back up against the wall. The flip up door, you're not going to get much closer on that. I've got it pushed in there pretty tight. We're about 9 inches to the door to the wall. And in the unit that we were looking at, we were about 56 inches off the ground. So we were coming down lower than this one, but we were coming out to 20 inches, which when we put it in this scenario here, about right here, we're putting the doors right here, right in your face, and blocking a portion of the barrel to get stuff in and out. And so you got to take that into account with this top loader stuff, that you need to have good clear access when you're here working. You want to be able to, you got to bend over and reach in and pull stuff out. And right where you're going to be with that, we've got cabinet coming down lower and much farther out. And so it doesn't work out for the customer. So we can come down a little lower. I wouldn't come out any more than 16 inches deep with this type of stuff. Now, naturally, if they're doing front loaders, that's a whole different story. But with the top loader, you need to have the clearance to get in and out of the barrel as you're bending over. Reach in to grab the bottom of the barrel, you can see where I'm going to go. And even if a person's a little shorter, they still need to have that head clearance and not smashing into that. It's just not going to be comfortable for them to use the washer.